This report aims to document the process of building a model of the Dell E16H monitor using the SolidWorks program. The objective of this project was to gain a deeper understanding of how to use SolidWorks and its various tools, as well as to learn how to create a 3D model of a complex and detailed object. The process of building this model also allowed us to practice our problem solving and critical thinking skills, as we encountered various challenges and found solutions to overcome them. This report will provide a detailed overview of the steps taken to create the model, including the tools and technique used, as well as any challenges encountered and solutions found. Additionally, it will provide a visual representation of the final model along with the measurements and calculations used to verify its accuracy.
Here are the steps to create a Dell E16H monitor using the SolidWorks program. Step 1. Create a new SolidWorks project and set the units to millimeters. Step 2. Create a base for the monitor using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the base of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 3. Create the monitor frame using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the frame of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 4. Create the stand for the monitor using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the stand of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 5. Assemble the base monitor frame and stand together using the mate tool. Make sure that the monitor frame is attached to the base and the stand is attached to the base. Step 6. Add the monitor screen using the extruded cut tool. Set the dimensions to match the screen of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 7. Add the monitor buttons using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the buttons of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 8. Add the monitor cables using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the cables of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 10. Add the monitor ports using the extruded boss base tool. Set the dimensions to match the ports of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 11. Apply textures and materials to the monitor model to make it look more realistic. Step 12. Render the final model to create a 3D image of the Dell E16H monitor. Step 13. Save the model as a SolidWorks file for the future use, or export it as a PDF file for 3D printing.
This is the design of Dell E60H monitor model. It is made up of 3 parts, which are base, stand, and monitor. The table shows that the item part and quantity which used in the monitor model design. Then, they are assembled together to form the wall part of the monitor model. There is shown that the 360 view of the monitor model. And finally, they also show the explore view of the model.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faizuddin bin Zamzuri, RM21290. For the challenges that our group faced during the completion of this project was the curved part on the back side of the computer screen. We spent a lot of time there because there are many features that need to be used in preparing the part. This is more difficult because I live off the campus, so it is hard for us to solve problems together face to face. We only communicate through WhatsApp, which is sometimes makes it difficult to understand each other problems, especially mine.
In conclusion, building a model of the Dell E16H monitor using the SolidWorks program was a valuable learning experience. By following the step-by-step instructions, we were able to create a detailed and accurate model of the monitor. The process of building the model allowed us to gain a deeper understanding of how to use SolidWorks and the various tools it offers. Additionally, by building this model, we were able to see the application of our knowledge in real-world scenarios and learn how to create a 3D model of a complex and detailed object. This project also gave us the opportunity to practice our problem-solving and critical thinking skills as we encounter various challenges and found solutions to overcome them. Overall, building a model of the Dell E16H monitor using SolidWorks is an excellent way to improve our skills in engineering and designing and to gain a deeper understanding of how to create 3D models.